What is up, guys? Today we are on our way to Empire Tire to go get the tires mounted on the newly refinished Heritage wheels. We're gonna go ahead and drop those off, and then we're gonna actually head out and head over to my friend Frank's. He's the person who has the pink 240 that is all tuned and ready to go, and he said that it's absolutely insanely fast, and we're gonna go check that out. We haven't really had too much of an update on that thing in a while. That's because he brought it back to his house. He was doing a bunch of finishing stuff, and then he had it at a shop for a while. He had some issues. He had to swap the motor, a bunch of other stuff. I'm sure you'll hear from him once we get there.
Okay.
So I have the rear. That is massive. Dude, it's like blurry where the fucking exhaust comes out.
Everyone says that. That's what I mean when I say, like, you see a fucking, like, a cloud of just heat wave. That thing fucking stupid fast. It spins fast too.
Dude, that woman didn't give a fuck. I'm so surprised. I thought she would have been pissed.
Same here. Everyone's like, holy shit, no more duct tape. There's a god. This fucking rain is like...
So I had to run out of there real quick, but Frank's obviously, you know, made huge progress since he's left my house, and that thing is absolutely insane. Spins like third gear like nothing. He said it spins all the way up to fifth, and he hasn't even tried doing sixth just because it's just too scary with the little amount of traction that it has.
Live life without rig.